I loved my time at North Central.
Man, I wish I could go back. North Central was one of the best times of my life.
The students, the faculty, the staff, every part of it, every aspect of it, just completely changed my life.
I loved being an NCU student. I feel like North Central really prepared me for where I am now.
I believe North Central isn't just Christian by name, but they really try to infuse Christ into everything that they do, from academics to the community to chapel. And now in a pastoral position, that is my job. I can bring that community with me and show others what community with Jesus looks like.
As a business student, I didn't just learn business principles, I learned kingdom business principles. More than learning about accounting or a ledger or how to just work in groups, we're learning about how to do all those things with the ideas of stewardship, humility, and thinking about that in the context of work. As an analyst, all the information that I'm bringing together for the sake of making a better decision is so that we can steward the business resources in the best way possible.
North Central gave me the tools and really, really well prepared me for my field. It was one of the few schools that I could become licensed as a social worker at the bachelor's level. It's a huge deal. I mean, I have that license because of the accreditation. Yeah, I just feel like I graduated and I was kind of ready to go.
And at North Central, they say your life, our mission, and with my life, they had proved that it was their mission to come alongside me and champion me to be the best that I could be, because their heart was the most full and they were the most passionate about seeing me succeed as a student.